Hi everybody, in this lesson we'll learn how to define the work area and the preview area we are working on. If you are working with long timeline or heavy intensive processing effects, you can adjust the work area to determine what to be rendered, previewed, and what not to be rendered or previewed. This helps you to work faster because you work on a limited area of the timeline, so the computer don't process whole area but only the area which you assign. In fact, you can resize it from here. You can drag and resize it. You can position it, as you can see, resize it, expand or contract it as you want. In fact, this is different from the level of magnification, which determines how much area to display. We can also assign the beginning and the ending of the work area by using the shortcut B and N to set the beginning of the work area. For example, here I move the timeline head indicator and press B, and I can go here to the second 14 and hit N. Now I assigned the start and the end of the work area. I should also, in the preview panel, set the work area to be cached to work area. Here the After Effects will cache only the work area. As you can see, only the work area which is cached. If we add this composition to render queue, we can go to best settings in the render settings and render the work in area only or the length of the composition. We choose, of course, the work area only unless we want to render the whole composition. And the same happens when we add this composition to the media encoder. It rendered the work area only. In fact, mastering the work area preview is very crucial. If you have a lot of layers and high intensive processing project, you want to reduce the work on your cache and RAMs, so please limit your work area to the area you are working on, and you can expand and contract, move it to as you want. That's it. Thank you for watching.